Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best outdoor snowflakes is probably one of the most enchanting ways to transform your outdoor space into a winter wonderland, adding a touch of magic and festive cheer to your holiday season. And these beautiful decorations come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, allowing you to choose the perfect ones to match your personal style and preferences, creating a breathtaking display that will leave you and your guests spellbound. Number 5. Twinkle Star 100 LED String Lights. These high-quality string lights feature 100 energy-efficient LEDs, creating a warm and inviting ambience. They're perfect for adding a touch of magic to any space, indoors or out. With a durable plastic construction and UL 588 certification, these lights are built to last. The low-voltage design ensures safe use for your family and pets. Easily extend these lights up to 344.5 feet by connecting multiple strands. Create a breathtaking display to suit any area, large or small. These lights are designed to withstand the elements, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Decorate your garden, patio, or even your Christmas tree with confidence. With 8 different lighting modes, you can customize your display to match any mood or occasion. From a steady glow to a twinkling effect, the possibilities are endless. These versatile lights are perfect for a wide range of occasions, including Christmas, weddings, parties, and more. They'll add a touch of sparkle to any event. What we like? It boasts 100 bright LEDs and extends to over 49 feet. With 8 lighting modes, it adapts to any mood or occasion. If you need extensive, versatile lighting for large spaces, this is the perfect choice. What people say? I just put these lights up on my patio ceiling. I love how they light up. There are 8 different settings, from just staying lit to fast blinking to running through all the settings. The string of snowflake light were hung all around a big window in our TV room, and we loved the ambience that they created. Put these light on my gate in front of my house, looks great. Number 4. Jumbo Glitter Snowflake Ornaments. These aren't your average snowflakes. They're big, glittery, and perfect for adding a touch of winter magic to your home. Each set includes 5 large snowflakes, each with a unique design. They're shatterproof, so you can hang them anywhere without worry. With a diameter of 12 inches, these snowflakes make a statement. Their glitter catches the light beautifully. Hang them in windows, on trees, or even from your ceiling. They're perfect for weddings, parties, or just adding some festive cheer to your home. Each snowflake comes with a convenient silver cord already attached, making decorating quick and easy. Use multiple sets to transform your space into a stunning winter wonderland. They're the perfect finishing touch for any holiday celebration. What we like? These are extra large and shatterproof, ensuring durability and safety. Their glittery finish adds a touch of sparkle to your decor. If you prioritize size and unbreakable ornaments, this is your best option. What people say? They are large enough and heavy enough to create a significant presence, but light and easy to hang from overhead branches for a festive feel. The snowflakes have been through several rainstorms and 2 snowfalls and are still holding their shape and sparkle well. I like the way they look, and they're great for decorating both indoors and outdoors. Number 3. 20 Folding Snowflake LED Lights. It's a 20-inch snowflake, beautifully decorated with 70 cool white LED lights. The lights provide a soft, steady glow, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. This snowflake decoration features a convenient folding design. It's easy to set up for display and folds flat for compact storage, saving you space. With its 2-sided design, the lights are visible from both sides, ensuring a stunning display from any angle. You can hang it or attach it to walls or roofs. Connect up to 51 snowflakes together using the end-to-end connectors. It only uses 4.2 watts per snowflake, making it energy efficient. The bulbs are made of shatter-resistant acrylic and are securely attached, ensuring they can withstand the elements. Plus, it's designed so if one light goes out, the others stay lit. It's safe and dependable for both indoor and outdoor use, perfect for Christmas, winter parties, or any festive occasion. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's CSA certified. What we like? This 20-inch snowflake is foldable for easy storage and features connectable plugs. It's weather-resistant and provides a cool, steady glow. If you want a large, convenient, and safe outdoor decoration, this is ideal. What people say. It's really bright and looks amazing from the street. Assembly was easy and it produces a lot of light. It's beautiful and with the add size definitions, size fits the space at the end of my front porch perfect. Blue in center with white on outer edge makes it really pop. The way it folds open and locks makes it sturdy and at the same time easy to unlock and refold for easy off-season storage. Number 2. Snowflake Christmas String Lights. These charming lights feature 6 adorable snowflake drops, perfect for adding a touch of magic to your home or outdoor space. With 100 bright mini bulbs, they'll illuminate your holiday celebrations. At 9 feet long, they're ideal for decorating a wide variety of spaces. And you can connect up to 5 sets together for even larger displays. Enjoy a steady glow, or easily switch to a dynamic flashing mode with the included spare bulbs. It's simple to change the lighting effect to match your mood. They're incredibly versatile, use them indoors or outdoors. Plus, if a bulb burns out, the rest stay lit, thanks to the included spare bulbs and fuse. With 8 mini clips included, hanging them is a breeze. Drape them across your windows, trees, or anywhere you need a festive touch. Get creative. What we like. It features 6 snowflake drops with connectable strings, perfect for creating a cascading effect. It offers both steady and flashing modes. If you want a whimsical, customizable light display, this is perfect for you. What people say. They were easy to hang, we already had command hooks, and worked well with the other lights we had. The lights are a warm white that light up the patio more than expected but without any glare so it's easy on eyes. Lots of lights on these pretty snowflakes. Number 1. Baneberry Designs Snowflake Ornaments. These beautiful ornaments are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your holiday decorations. With 3 different sizes, you can create a stunning display on your tree or anywhere in your home. Made from durable plastic, these ornaments are safe for use around children and pets. Each one comes with a string already attached, so they're ready to hang right out of the box. Use them on your Christmas tree, wreath, garland, or even as unique gift toppers. They'll add a festive touch to any space. Hang them in your windows to create a magical winter scene. The sparkling glitter will catch the light and add extra shine to your holiday decor. Get creative and use them in your holiday craft projects. They're also great for classroom decorations or as unique gifts for loved ones. This bulk pack includes 42 ornaments in 3 sizes, 24, 4-inch, 12, 5-inch, and 6, 6-inch, giving you plenty to decorate with. What we like. This set includes 42 assorted size glittery snowflakes. They're perfect for crafting or adding a touch of sparkle to your tree or any winter decor. If you need a variety of sizes and a lot of snowflakes, this is the set for you. What people say. Loved these on my front door. I had originally planned to put these in my front windows but I realized that they wouldn't really be visible since there's zero sunlight that hits those windows. Decided to try my black front door and they look great. I have plenty left over, even after using some to spruce up my Christmas gifts. I plan on using these next year. I have a 5-foot-high wrought heart which is in the ground facing the street in front of my house. I cover it with greens and attach seasonal decorations. This winter I ordered these snowflakes to complete the wintry snowfall. I hung some and tucked some in between Christmas tree branches. They are beautiful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.